nature is very beautiful. We have to accept the beautiness of nature by heart. I mean, heartily. See here, different types of flower. I found here just on the way of the Balikumari road. I like these flowers very much, and I like to catch the flower from near. Yeah, it's the blooming. Yeah, nice. The situation is very good, and it is the morning time. Yeah, flowers are smiling. Very good. I show you this all the leaves also here. Different types of leaves we can see here. Okay, the style toss the leaves here. In a leaf there are many leaves here. I will count it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, seven. Yeah, seven leaves. Every leaves are same. Very good. I like the nature, beautiness of nature. Nature is beautiful. Yeah, I like very much. Good. Yes, very good. The color is like brinjal color. Yeah. Inside there is a dark brinjal color, and somehow outside, uh, soft brinjal, and inside a dark brinjal color. Very good. Lips are also nice. Yeah, I'm here. Good. I found myself very lucky uh, to see this situation and getting this flower. Very good. Okay. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching it.